not only as witnesses to their children's union, but as a lifelong inspiration of love and commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause as they take the floor in honor of this beautiful journey their children have embarked on. Ato silang hatagan sa masigabong palakpakan, everyone, please.
Nakakaiyak. Wala mas Tita Diliago das Canada. Roxanne na lang sa mama.
Just once upon yesterday, I had you in my arms.
Kasi Tita ito yung masayawan na.
Into a little girl with lovely childhood charms. Now it seems I only turn around and I see you by his side. Oh, I can't.
This time, okay. So this time, I'll be teaching you a dance move. So kani siya nga dance move, gitawag ni siya og laba dance move. So ang inyong unang buhaton, okay. First step, kuso. Kuso, 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 kuso. Nakuha. Okay. Kuha, labandero si sir. Okay. So this time, ato nang ihalay. Halay, halay, halay. Katawa na ka kuya, dapat mo apit. Okay. This time, palakpak. Clap, clap, clap. Nakuha. Okay. Alright. Kuso, halay, palakpak. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. With hearts full of joy, hands ready to clap, it is with great pleasure and honor that I introduce to you our newlyweds. We have Mr. and Mrs. Ariel and Sanriza Joy Barquilla!
Don't you get it right, just keep your eyes on me. I said don't hold it back, she said shut up. This woman's my destiny. She said ooh, shut up.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have Mr. and Mrs. Barquilla. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. So at this point of time, thank you so much sa atong mga bisita. Daghan salamat sa inyong pag-participate. Karon pwede na mo mulingkod. Okay. Tungod sa inyong pag-participate, makakaon yung mong lechon. Kamong tanan. So at this point of time, let us clear the dance floor because this time, let us witness our newlywed in their first dance as a couple.
Di man daraw ang nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi. Di na bilang ang ating mga tapuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I proudly present to you Mr. and Mrs. Barquilla. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ko palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap